With Construction File Manager you can allow your users to create requests for new teams. Provide your users with templates with predefined structure, settings and apps and prevent sprawl. Create custom metadata fields, ask your users for it during the request and execute policies based on them. With Construction File Manager you can easily create templates for your use cases and equip them with governance policies. Create naming conventions for teams, OneNote and Planner. Define life cycles for your teams or include Azure classifications to your governance policies. Construction File Manager gives you updates about your requests and expiring teams and keeps you up to date via its chatbot. Keep an overview over your projects. And create your own views including metadata. Turn Microsoft Teams into the digital project or construction file with the Construction File Manager.